Is your home starting to feel more like a storage unit than a sanctuary? If you're overwhelmed by clutter, stay tuned, because in today's video, we're going to transform your space into a peaceful, organized haven. With easy, practical steps, you'll be able to declutter your home and simplify your life starting right now. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a life-changing topic: decluttering your home. We all know how overwhelming clutter can feel. It not only takes up physical space, but also mental energy. But here's the good news: decluttering doesn't have to be stressful or time-consuming. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step through the decluttering process, giving you actionable tips and strategies to reclaim your home and your peace of mind. Whether you're looking to declutter one room or tackle your entire house, these tips will make the journey simple and rewarding. Let's get started. Involve the entire family. Decluttering is easier and more effective when everyone participates. Assign specific areas to each family member. Teach kids the importance of letting go of toys they no longer use. Create declutter-free zones. Designate areas in your home where clutter is not allowed, such as kitchen counters, entryways, dining tables. Celebrate your progress. Decluttering can be an emotional journey, so take time to celebrate your progress. Enjoy the newfound space in your home. Treat yourself to something special, but not more clutter. Donate responsibly. Give items a second life by donating them to local charities, thrift stores, shelters. Handle sentimental items last. Sentimental items can be the hardest to declutter. Save them for last, when you've built up your decluttering momentum. Take photos of sentimental items before letting them go. Keep only a small selection of truly meaningful keepsakes. Adopt a one in, one out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, commit to letting go of one item. This rule prevents clutter from building up again. Adopt the KonMari method. Marie Kondo's famous method focuses on keeping only items that spark joy. Hold each item and ask yourself, does this bring me joy or serve a purpose? If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Organize as you go. Once you've decluttered an area, organize what's left. Use storage bins or baskets to keep similar items together. Label containers for easy access. Start with easy wins. To build momentum, begin with areas that are easier to declutter, such as junk drawers, expired pantry items, old magazines or papers. Seeing quick results will motivate you to keep going. Declutter digital clutter. Decluttering isn't just about physical items. Take time to delete unnecessary emails, organize digital files, unsubscribe from spam newsletters. The one room at a time approach. Instead of tackling your entire house at once, focus on one room or area at a time. Start with the area that bothers you the most. Break the room into smaller sections, such as shelves, drawers, or corners. Define your why. Before you even pick up the first item to declutter, ask yourself, why do I want to declutter my home? Do you want more space for your family? Are you tired of feeling stressed by clutter? Do you want a fresh start? Write down your why and keep it somewhere visible. This motivation will help you stay focused, even when the process feels challenging. Create a decluttering plan. A clear plan will keep you organized and prevent overwhelm. Here's how to create one. Set realistic goals. Decide which areas you'll declutter first. Start small, like a single drawer, and work your way up. Schedule time. Block off specific times in your calendar for decluttering sessions. Prepare supplies. Gather boxes or bags for donations, recycling, and trash. The 4-box method. When decluttering, use 4 boxes labeled keep, donate, recycle, trash. Go through each item in the room and decide which box it belongs in. This method keeps the process organized and ensures nothing gets overlooked. The 1-year rule. Ask yourself, have I used this item in the past year? If the answer is no, it's time to let it go. Exceptions: sentimental items or seasonal decorations. Decluttering your home isn't just about tidying up, it's about creating a space that feels peaceful, functional, and reflective of your values. By following these simple steps, you'll not only free up physical space, but also gain mental clarity and a sense of accomplishment. Remember, the key to success is starting small, staying consistent, and celebrating your wins along the way. Your clutter-free, stress-free home is just a few steps away.